Do you want to know how you can access the FAQs in Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the FAQs in Starry AI. Go ahead and open Starry AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand corner, and then click on FAQ. You can see that there are articles and FAQs over here. Go ahead and click on the category. So if you want the category Starry AI Pro and credits, go ahead and click on it. And you can see that there are a lot of FAQs which will surely help you, and it will help you save time as well, and your problems might be solved. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is click on your profile and then click on FAQ. Now you can select it from here, and there are a lot of FAQs to read. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.